to find a way for what you wanna say. But before tomorrow, 'cause my friend said he'd take you home. He sits in a corner all alone. He lives under a waterfall. Nobody can see him, nobody can ever hear him call. Nobody can ever hear him call. You need to be yourself. You can't be no one else. I know a girl called Elsa. She's into Alka-Seltzer. She sniffs it through a cane on a supersonic train, and she made me laugh. I got her autograph. She done it with a doctor on a helicopter. She's sniffing in her tissue, selling the big issue when she finds